Hello everybody, I am Rajesh Mahant, teacher St. Anne's High School, Gargoda. I hope all of you will be well and at the same time following the instruction issued by the government to protect COVID-19. This is our first online class for class 6 in science. Dear children, science subject will be new for you this year. Before that you did not study science, but you must have read the subject of environment, through which you are able to understand the importance of plants, land, human body and food, etc. Around here, EVS, we are going to study all these in depth in the language of science in this new subject. Now see lesson 1 or Earth. All living beings found in this world like plant, animal, human beings, etc. live on Earth. There are land, desert, mountain, rivers, lake and ocean on this earth. These fulfill all the needs of the living beings. Dear children, do you know what is the shape of earth? Round or flat? Your answer is the earth shape is round. So today we are going to learn about of earth. We can see a very small part of the earth at the time what we see appear to be flat. To see the whole earth we have to travel when out the atmosphere of the earth and go into space. You must have heard that many countries send people into space via rocket. They are called astronaut. Astronaut take picture of earth from space and that shows that the shape of the earth is round. We can see this picture. We will see whether the earth is hollow or solid. You know, the earth is round like a ball. Scientists have found out that earth is not hollow but it is solid, but its surface is not smooth and even. It has high mountain at some place and at some place it has deep valley. Imagine if the earth is cut, how will its structure look like? See that in figure 1.2. We can see this figure. The inner structure of the earth has been divided into three main parts. First part is crust, second part is metal and third part is core. Now see first part, inner structure of earth. Crust, the outermost layer of the earth where ocean and islands are located is called crust. All the essential things which are needed for living beings to live like air, water, food, soil and minerals are found in this crust. Remains of dead and decycling plant and animals are also found in this layer. This makes it fertile. Various minerals like iron, aluminium, copper, coal, limestone, petroleum, natural gases, etc., which fulfill our needs are all found in this layer. Second layer is metal. Metal is below crust. There is a thick layer of hot molten rock which is called metal. This is middle layer of the earth. It has molten rock along with many gases. Third layer is core. This is inner core and this is outer core. Core, the inner most region of the earth is called its core. It is the hottest part of the earth. It consists of mainly iron and nickel. The core believed to exist in a solid form. The outer region of the core contains mostly iron in a molten form. I repeat, this is inner structure of the earth. The outermost layer of the earth where ocean and island is called crust, and just below the crust is called metal, and third layer is core. Core is two part. First is inner part and second is outer part. Have you understood, student?